This is going to be a really hairy drive. It's wet. There are leaves on the ground. Rear-wheel drive, like I said. Raw 530 horsepower. I'm used to my BRZ. Big difference. Good morning again. Now that I'm in town, the drive here was sketchy. Wet leaves all over the roads. It doesn't mix very well with no traction control. But it's great to be back on YouTube making videos. It's been such a long time, and I'll get into that in another video, but I just wanted to stop by the center of town and walk around the Diablo SV before I go meet up with a group of friends and go for a drive. But this is such a raw car, and there's so much that I love about it, which I'm going to explain. So this is a 98 SV. It's the first year Lamborghini introduced a new timing system, so this is a 530 horsepower model or motor, but it's rear-wheel drive. It has a manual transmission. It's pretty much as raw as it gets. My dream car, or one of my dream cars, is the Diablo GT, so this falls in right below that. So again, to my friend Ricky, thank you so much for letting me drive your baby, one of your babies, and show it off to my channel. It's a beautiful titanium over black. Total SV production, I believe, is somewhere around 400 for the entire world, from 95 to 99. Being a 98, this has the pop-up headlights still, as opposed to the 99s, which is just a exposed headlight. I love the pop-ups. Gives it a very cool look. You obviously have the two intakes on the SV, but so far, out of all the cars I've driven, my probably all-time favorite was the 2011 Lamborghini Performante, which is a Superleggera convertible, but it was one of 4 in North America with a manual transmission. And having the opportunity to drive a Lamborghini with a manual transmission is unlike anything else. As you can see, the car's already picked up quite a lot of leaves and stuff from the drive, 20-30 minute drive here. But just wanted to show the car. Gonna go on a nice drive with some friends, and should be a great day. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm really looking forward to be making YouTube videos again, because like I said, it's been a long time. There is a reason why I haven't been around too much, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you enjoy this Lamborghini. It's a 5-speed manual, so reverse is where first would normally be. Has a few buttons here for making the suspension softer or stiffer. You have the windows. You can raise the nose of the car or lower it for speed bumps, etc. I had to pull very hard. Alright, so I just made a quick stop at Starbucks for my girlfriend so she can get some coffee. I drank Red Bull already this morning, but parked on the corner, being Greenwich, Connecticut. Beautiful 991.2 GT3. Awesome. Got it. Do you think going left is the quickest way, or?
Yeah, I think so. I don't really know how to get that. Do you want me to do the direction?
Yeah, I guess just back to North Street, just into Greenwich on Greenwich Ave. It's right here, and then oh, there's Taconic left here. Get back to North Street?
It's not loaded.
I'm pretty sure I know where I am.
Yeah, just keep going straight.
Continue straight.
Straight? I think I can go right and then...
It's just like that. Yeah, just keep going straight.
Alright, so about time to put the Diablo SV away. It's been an incredible day. Really fun car, so raw, so enjoyable. The manual transmission, the exhaust, what a car, really. I can't say enough good things about it. I wish it were mine. Having the opportunity to drive this for the day, really can't believe it. So thank you, Ricky, for letting me take out your SV. And I hope all of you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video of some nice cars, but time to hop in and put the car back in the garage, and until next time.